Welcome back. Thanks for tuning in and clicking on this video. I'm Renee.
I'm Will.
And we are Phoenix Curations. We are resellers online, which means we have the coolest thing on earth that we do with our free time. We buy stuff and resell it online. Today you want to talk about what we're doing?
Well, we've got a Thredup shoebox to unbox today, and we have had a few in the past that we really liked, and so
Our last one was really awesome.
Yeah.
We did great.
It was.
We only sold 4 pairs of shoes out of there so far, and I think we've doubled our money.
We've doubled our money back.
For sure.
Yeah, we have.
For sure. We had 1 pair that was damaged, and 4 I decided not to list because of quality issues or brand issues, and I haven't listed the boots yet, so there's still more potential there.
We're doing good.
All right, so this is 15 pairs of shoes. It cost $90. I did not look, which nearly killed me.
You had them for what, almost a week? That's pretty good.
I know. I'm terrible. I always open stuff ahead, and then Will's here going, "Oh, what is
Yeah, I haven't
this?"
seen them before. You know,
Okay.
we're doing better. It used to be we would get one and you couldn't even wait for a whole day to open it. So, you know, things are improving.
All right. You can do the first pair if you want. Here's our little manifest, and it is the Rescue Shoebox, 15 pairs, and it is up to $90 now with free shipping. So we always have that crinkling paper, which everybody hates.
Yeah, that's sort of pseudo wrapped in tissue paper, and you get some bubbles. They always love those.
Guess what we use?
Free shipping material. So, right off the bat, we're just going to go right into this. So it looks like it's a pair of Mark Kors
No, that's Anne Klein Sport.
and Klein Sport. Okay, I don't know my logos that well. This is a pair of, these aren't flats, these are flats with heels. What do you call these, Renee?
These are a wedge, so that means the heel is up and this is solid through here. I have sold Anne Klein Sport before for about $15. They were in better shape than these are, but they weren't as good a style. So maybe $15.
They haven't been worn too much. There's not much wear on the bottom, but all right.
Okay, next up, we have sneakers. We love sneakers. I have no idea what these are. They're kind of a millennial pink satin, and they are definitely sellable. Steve Madden. So they definitely are going to require some cleanup. We have a very easy way to clean this rubber. The bottoms are worn, but not terrible. There's a little bit of heel drag there, which is when people drag their heels, this part gets worn a little bit. But the pink is in really good shape. Excuse my doorbell. My granddaughter's getting picked up. So yeah, those are sellable. I don't know for how much. We'll have to check.
Yeah, we'll have to check. Let's prepare for this. A pair of Sperry topsiders. These are canvas. It is a little wear on the bottom.
Yeah, those are beaters.
Yeah, they are. But you know, when you get them cleaned up, I don't know if that's dirt, if that's worn through the sole there. Well, we'll see. They might go for a few dollars. They're not terribly dirty.
Not a ton for sure. So somebody obviously got those at a thrift store because there's a thrift store price of $4.38 on there. I have ways to try and get that out, but sometimes with rubber you can't.
You can't.
So these are
Sharpie.
barely worn. They are Tahari. You can see there. They have a little bit of a shape problem and they need polished up a little bit, but they're just a cute little ballet flat. And they're kind of a beige and cream, and I love that little polka dot in there with a little bow on them. So we'll clean those up, and I bet they're sellable. Most ballet flats do sell.
Yeah. This is a pair of wedge heels. You can see those.
They look like real suede.
Yeah, they feel like it. So,
Despite any popular opinions, you can clean suede.
yes.
Our cobbler showed me how to do it. It's a risk. There's always a possibility that you'll mess it up, but we do pretty good.
This is a pair of Billy Reed, which I'm not familiar with Billy Reed, made in Italy.
I thought Billy Reed did men's clothes, but
Well, we'll see.
apparently they do other things. Those look like a real stacked leather heel, which is nice.
Yeah.
That's a sign of quality. You see a lot of this stacked where it's just a sticker over some cheap
Cheap
textile.
wood, or it's made out of compressed wood.
Yeah, but that's real
This
stacked
is real
leather.
leather. Yeah, it's interesting. Those are nice.
Okay.
Fun to check those out.
Yeah, if we get those cleaned up, I bet they're worth something. So this is American Rag. It's just a little pair of ankle strap sandals. They're leather. They're in pretty good condition. They just need the soles cleaned and the leather condition just a little dry. American Rag is, I want to say, I too much time at the bins. I want to say that it is Macy's or Belk house brand. Maybe even Dillard's, but it's a house brand from a department store.
Okay. A pair of beige pumps from Nine & Company.
Yeah, so I don't know a lot about those. We've had several pairs of nude patent leather pumps. They do eventually sell. I think they're style-wise a little on the outs.
Yeah.
I think probably the patent leather look is moved on, but I have a pair and I wear them, you know, when I still dress up. But they'll sell, not for a whole lot. Eventually, they'll sell. All right, so we have a pair of heels here, also suede with this cute little tie ankle strap. These are Vince Camuto. They have what appears to, no, it's not a leather sole, but it does look like a leather sole. They're really not that worn. They're in good shape. Even the toes look like they're in good shape. A little bit of mark on the heel, not bad. Also, I think these will sell. Gray is kind of a strange color to try and match, so it might take a little bit.
Another pair of wedge heels. This is, I don't know if this is cork or not. This is
I think they're faux.
wanted. I'm not wanted by who? I can't read that.
It's
on
just,
the shoe.
yeah, it's just wanted. I can't read that other writing either. But this is also an inexpensive house brand from maybe Dillard's or
Some
Macy's.
flowers on top. But these aren't real cork. This is what we were talking about in this pair. I don't know if you can even really see it on the video, but these are the paper covering over something else to make it look like cork.
Yeah, so this brand really is fast fashion. These are not going to last a long time. They are in pretty good shape. There's a little damage right there to the heel. They're tiny. Oh my goodness, are they tiny? I do not see a size anywhere. So that's pretty typical with...
that meets the other side here. You can see that that's not real cork.
No. It looks like they're almost new though, because they still
Yeah,
have this rubber band.
There's not a lot of heel
On
wear.
there.
There's a few little light wear marks here and there, but they're not in bad shape.
Yeah, I think somebody left the rubber bands on the flowers. Anyway, hopefully we can sell those. So Francesca's, you can see that. That is a sort of mall boutique. And these are raffia, which raffia is in style right now. And this is kind of a raw leather. It's not lined. And it's a real wood heel, so it's a quality shoe. I have no idea what Francesca's ankle strap sandals would sell for, but I do think that they're on trend. So we'll see.
Okay, next, these are Alex Marie.
Crazy
Yeah,
looking.
not sure. I don't know. I wouldn't call it animal print. It's not alligator skin, but there's no texture to them. They're smooth.
Yeah, I don't. Yeah, they're patent leather. They're not embossed. They are. Sorry, my door is squeaking out there. Yeah, I don't know about those. Those may or may not sell. Alex Marie is sold in a lot of department stores, and they make kind of special occasion shoes. I've never seen any like that. Uh-oh, I like these already. I have no idea what they are. They're boots with a black heel, but they have this really cool embroidery. Little stems there, side zip. They feel like real suede. Franco Sardo, so they probably are real suede. There's a size there. I believe it says 8. And let's look at the bottoms.
They look new.
Oh,
They look
Yeah.
brand new.
they are probably brand new. It looks like maybe they were clearanced at Designer Shoe Warehouse, which won't bother us at all. We'll
Nope.
take that off, and we will sell them. And those should get a little money for those.
Alright, this is a pair of mauve straps, sandal straps with a low heel, wedge heel.
What?
Yeah, I'm learning. I'm teachable.
You're coming along.
These are Deflex Comfort.
Yeah.
Dexflex Comfort.
Yeah, it's just a comfort brand shoe. It's not high end. They
It's
are.
probably not real suede.
They weren't worn a lot, but they weren't taken good care of. You can see on the heel there's a lot of dirt. I'll try and clean them up. We'll see. Maybe not. Oh, this looks very low end. Well, for flip flops, it's American Eagle. This is a white patent leather thong, and they are kind of a platform. They're cute. This is like a felty bottom or something. It's kind of interesting. We probably can sell these. I almost want to say we should take these to consignment because they're not really going to sell for a lot, and we can trade them for something at Flashbacks.
Yeah, that might be a good idea. A little pair of New Balance running shoes. These are Kush, which
Is it Kush or Kusa?
I can't tell. I'm not wearing my glasses. It looks like Kush, but it could be Kusa.
Let's see.
They don't look to
Oh
be,
yeah, you're right.
They don't look to be terribly worn. Low heel. They're minimalist shoes, so we'll see. I don't know much about this model. I do wear New Balance shoes though.
Yeah, New Balance are actually a little more comfortable sneaker, I think, because they have a little wider. They're a little wider.
Well, one thing about New Balance is some of their shoes are made here in the United States as compared to some of the other brands which are made only in overseas. Yeah, so a lot of people do look to this brand because of that.
All right.
American.
So these are kind of a over the knee sock boot. They tie up in the back. They do have a side zip, so they'll snug the ankle pretty good. They are, I believe, a faux suede. They are Nature Breeze, which I have no idea what they are. Size 10. They're very flat. They have a little damage on the bottom. They could be real suede and be lined, but I don't think so. I think it's a faux suede.
I think it's a faux suede. These are not. These don't look to be.
Yeah, they're not super high quality, but they also don't have a lot of wear. They would be fun for festival season if we had a festival season. Hopefully we'll have one in the future because I think it's really a lot of fun to go to festivals. Yeah, so, I mean, they would be boots that you're not going to care a whole ton about, but they're going to look really, really cool.
So, looking at this box, that's the last pair of shoes in this box.
Yes.
Yeah.
They're kind of, we may or may not get our money back on this box. I bet we'll get our money back. The pick is those Billy Reeds.
Yeah, I think these are going to be, well, we'll see what happens with these. These are nice.
These also, I think we can get a decent amount of money for. The others, $10 to $15. Maybe the Steve Madden's a little more if I get them clean.
Yeah.
And the New Balance maybe a little more if they're a good style.
So, yeah, we'll be looking to make our money back on this one. It's not as special as the last box we got.
Definitely not. I mean, we sold the Has-Beens for $45. We sold the Converse for $21. We sold another pair for like $23,
I think.
What was that pair? Do you remember?
No, I don't remember exactly, but I remember it was $23.
And $160 for the Sel McCarthy.
Yeah, that was the pair. That's the best pair we've gotten out of a box, I think, from Thredup ever. ever.
$160. Current style. And I think we got them because they were filthy dirty, but we know how to clean shoes.
So, well, thanks for watching. This is coming up. We do have another unboxing video, so take a look at that. When you get a chance, like, subscribe, and check us out. Keep watching.
Yeah. We may be right back in the exact same clothes on a different day, doing the exact same thing with a different box. Thanks so much.